3, 2, 1, go!
A day in the life as an SPCC gymnast. Christmas party.
3, 2, 1, go!
A day in the life as an SPCC gymnast.
3, 2, 1, go!
A day in the life of an SPG gymnast. Christmas party edition. Exchange gift. Hi guys. So we have exchange gift today. A day in the life of a gymnast. A day in the life of an SPCP gymnast.
Yeah.
Christmas party.
Edition.
We wait. We wait. We wait.
We have to wait.
We have to wait for the sign.
Can I have a mic? Is there another mic? Mic drop gymnast.
How's your mic?
Hello. It is working. Okay guys, si Coach Jerome ay nagsasalita ngayon. So, today we are having a Christmas gift exchange. Oh, imida. Ano ba? Imida. Do you know the Nathan Fortes guy? Talaga? Really? Ay! Ano ba? Talaga? Wait, Captain, no! Captain! Hi, what is your name? Isa. What are you expecting as your gift for this Christmas party?
Money!
Okay. Captain! Mag-interview kami, Captain.
What is your name and grade?
Leon Ignacio from Tenwa. What gift are you expecting this Christmas exchange gift? Siya. Cancelled! Ano ba? Cancelled! Ano sabihin ko na? Take 2, 3, 2, 1, go. What is your name and grade? Leon Ignacio from Tenwa. What gift are you expecting this Christmas party? Gusto ko po ng mestizo na 6'2". Ano daw? Continue. Gusto ko po either basketball or football. Pero pag ibang bola, dito po tatanggapin. Bakit po? Kasi po, you know, dito po Di po na ito, Captain! I impeach you! She just said she wants money! Oh, diba? Money! Must be funny, in a rich man's mood.
Okay, out! Tama na! Is that a teaser?
Huh? Watch Gym Talent Fest soon. I don't know when, but soon. Watch Intrams December 16. Watch Gym Talent Fest for good grades. 16 ba? 16. Intrams! Yeah! Be, ano ba? Sabi ni Coach, wait lang eh.
Maligo na daw.
Maligo na daw.
Maligo na daw? Okay guys, good. Hello everyone. So today, we're gonna make bunot, and whatever you bunot is what you're gonna take home with you.
Ano bunot?
I-censor nyo ulit yun! Okay, high school!
High school daw!
Okay, high school? Kasi yung mga magbubunot, yung mga hindi bubunot, don't go here. Okay, ready? I will start.
Start na ba?
Yeah, we're separated. Pass. I have to say what you say. Get. What? What? Say your name. No. Say my name and what? That's it. Say my name. I'm Fibril so I'm about to bunot. What gift are you expecting this Christmas exchange gift? A soft toy. Okay. Diba? Parang ikaw. Ano sinabi mo? Ano gusto mo daw sa Christmas? So there's this IG account. Name drop. Oh.
I thought you were gonna say what you got. Sorry. Okay.
Look there.
I'm Isa Manalo. And what?
What gift are you expecting this Christmas exchange gift?
Money! Guys, for the sophomores.
Pwede naman, di ba?
Social biz.
Oh, me. I'm Chelsea Ang. Say it. I'm Chelsea Ang. I'm gonna bunot, and I hope she's Chelsea Ang, and she hopes she gets a Lego set. Huh? Okay, bunot. Ano sabi niya? Ano next?
Yan, next. Ayan ang gusto ko.
It's naked.
Guys. Oh, hi. I'm Mara Gavez, and I hope to get happiness.
Kaya yan.
Kaya ba?
What's your name? What's your name? Hi, I'm Yuna Garinia from 9-4. And I hope na...
And I hope,
And I hope na madaming tao bumili sa Clara!
Bye from Clara. Next na.
I'm Sasha Santos. 9-4.
Ano benta mo? Okay, go, pick. Amazing.
What's your name?
I'm Alexa Paz from 9-1 and I hope for people to buy from that fuzzy feeling.
What's your name?
I'm Cameron Soft.
Wait. Who are you?
I'm Cameron Soft from 7-2.
And she hopes for nuggets.
I want chicken nuggets. I really want chicken nuggets.
Sabi ni Coach, let go na daw. Let go na daw. Diba, let go na.
Let go na daw, diba? Let go.
What's your name?
Maya Pino. 7-4. And I hope for Neos to win at least something.
Get something! Why you What's your name?
Hi, I am Juliana Casar from 9-1.
Ano benta mo?
I want my banta. That fuzzy feeling, blooming with love, wired with light. My whole dapper Jen. What I want for Christmas is a break from St. Paul. I need sleep.
To be killed.
I want to be killed. Public execution.
The Victorian child.
Oh, I did not do that.
Yung rapper guys.
Okay, sino na next?
Oh! What's your name daw?
Erich. Erich Kalingasan.
What room are you?
12-4.
What's your benta?
Fusing fully that.
Handa.
Fusing
Iba na po yan.
fuzzy feeling that.
What do you want to get this Christmas?
Wala. Mabuhay.
Bakit po yun?
Ang dami!
Pumili ka lang ng isa. Wow! Okay. Open ka na?
Okay guys, so tapos na po tayong lahat. Now we will get our gift.
Yes! We will open the paper muna. And then,
You should have books. And then I'll get the
he was marked up earlier. I don't know.
Hello, Coach George.
Will you kind of give us a few words?
Ayun pa yun. Ano, may dayag pa kasi. May dayag pa Singapore. 20. 22 ata yung match din yun eh.
If you have the same for gymnastics, you will answer our question. Can we move on? Move on na daw. I don't like this coach. Can we go to a different coach? There's no available coach right now.
So guys,
Ayan na. Si Coach Jing.
Wait lang kasi si kasama siya, tapos yung gift niya, eto, wala na isang number, ba't kayo nagbuhay?
Stop!
Si Darina, lagyan ng number to.
Give her a number.
So, isi-swap na lang natin.
Stop na.
Ulit.
Hindi. Okay lang, maglagay lang ng number. Ano ba last na? Mag-switch na lang.
Okay.
11 lang ba kayo? 12? 12? 1? So number 13.
Okay guys, we have some technical difficulties.
Oh my god, guys, it's so hot in here. The tension.
This is Jinja Hot.
Bakit kailangan nyo na mag-practice?
The technique. No!
We're just gonna interview. So guys, ito pala nakuha ko.
Wait, di ko pa nabubuksan yung sa akin!
Not yet lang po kasi. Ano kaya to?
Number 12.
Oh, it's a hat. Oh.
Kakainin ko na yung microphone na to.
Number 8.
Nam.
What number is that? Number 3. What's number 3? Number 3.
Sino yung number 1, 2, 3? Ay, ano ba yan?
Yan.
Ay, wow!
Wow, papel.
Grabe.
Number 9.
Starbucks!
Mine's 9. Mine's clearly. Ay, ano?
6.
Thank you.
Number 1.
Kung ito, cookie.
Number 6.
Gusto ko cookie. Ang pao.
Wow.
Number 1. Starbucks din yun. Pareto kayo. Appear kayong dalawa.
Appear. Merry Christmas! Kung ito hindi cookie, lalabas ako. Joke lang.
Sana pero.
Sana 1 mil! Check it! I need to see!
Okay guys.
Wow! Kailangan ko makita 5 zeros. Uy, kaninong cellphone yan?
Hi guys.
My name is so much. Bye-bye.
My name is Yuna Garino, and I got a hat. Oh, that's so cute. Thank you, it's so cute. Thanks guys. I got a gift from Alexa. Whoa.
What is it?
Ano ba? Tingin. Grabe, ang cute naman. Kasing cute mo.
I got Uniqlo. I'm gonna buy my Taiwan clothes here.
Isa, thank you so much.
Taiwan. But that's not nugget. I know, right? Maybe I'll find a chicken nugget plushie.
Maybe you'll find a chicken nugget in Taiwan.
You know, you're going to Japan next year. I'm also going to Japan next. Oh, Eddie, let's go nugget shopping. Oh, she's going to Japan this year.
I love it. Thank you. You know I have so much things that can match with this.
What? You have it back.
It's with me.
Okay.
Let's do it to you.
The what?
Send your son.
Yeah.
Hello, welcome to my vlog.
Para sa iyo yan.
Coach?
Wow, bagay na bagay.
No, kanina he was on you.
I-interview ko.
Coach, you're honest like. Coach!
If you are kind, please say a few words.
How about Coach Jerome?
Few words, please.
No comment, no comment.
No comment now.
Coach Jerome!
Coach Ariel. Coach.
What can you say about Kiara's favoritism to Coach Jerome?
Coach Jerome, Coach Jerome.
only? Okay, Merry Christmas.
Ouch! Be for real.
Huh? Real?
Yeah.
I'm real. Ano, what's the question?
Christmas message.
Oh.
Make it long.
Sana maging mabait pa yung mga students ko and more flexibility. And more skills to come next skills. More skills next school year, okay? Magpakabait kayo ha. Merry Christmas, girls. Love you guys. Bye-bye.
That was so boring.
That is all for our Christmas exchange game. Bye!